Are you looking to take to the skies, but don't know which drone to start with? In today's video, we'll review the best drones for beginners in 2025 to help you find the perfect one for your flying adventures. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Flip. This is the perfect drone for beginners, offering a simple yet powerful experience that will last. It features a selfie drone, AI, allowing it to take off from your hand with safety guards to protect your fingers, keeping the camera focused on you. With voice prompts and easy indicators, you can navigate effortlessly, and the app is available when needed. The Flip shines with a 1x1.3-inch image sensor, capturing 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second and 48 megapixel RAW photos. It comes with a controller for precise control, and DJI's radio tech ensures reliable range. Beginners will appreciate its collision avoidance and long battery life, while still staying under the weight limit. The DJI Flip delivers top-tier performance while being accessible for new pilots. Number 2. DJI Neo. This compact palm-launched drone stands out for its safety features and accessible price, especially for a DJI model, while still offering a 4K camera. How does DJI achieve this? The camera is a bit less advanced than the more specialized drones like the DJI Flip or Mini series, featuring a one-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization for steady footage. However, DJI has proven the effectiveness of this setup with fast drones like the Avatar 2 FPV. Plus, it offers an exciting FPV flying experience with optional goggles, providing a much better digital view than cheap alternatives. Flexibility is key, with options to use a standard radio controller for longer range, or let the drone follow you with its AI. You can even control it via on-screen controls in the app. This combination of features makes it a great choice for anyone's first drone. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro. I don't hand out 5-star reviews lightly, especially when the price is steep. But the Mini 4 Pro might just be the only drone you ever need. It boasts an excellent 4K camera, capturing up to 100 frames per second, stays under the 250 grams weight limit, and delivers stunning stills. It's also a fantastic choice for beginners, thanks to all-round collision sensing that helps protect the drone. It can detect and avoid obstacles, even flying around them to keep going, saving you both money and potential damage. The rotating camera is another standout, making it perfect for capturing content without cropping for social media formats. DJI also offers a variety of controller options, including one with a built-in display and a longer-lasting battery for those who want to bypass weight rules. Despite the high price, the Mini 4 Pro offers professional-level features in an ultra-light package, making it a great long-term investment. Number 4. Potensic A20 Mini Drone. I don't often give 5-star reviews, especially with a high price tag. But the Mini 4 Pro might just be the only drone you'll ever need. It features an outstanding 4K camera with up to 100 frames per second, stays under the 250-gram weight limit, and captures breathtaking stills. For beginners, it's a great choice, offering all-round collision sensing to help protect the drone. It can detect and avoid obstacles, even flying around them to continue its flight, saving you both money and potential damage. The rotating camera is a game-changer, ideal for capturing social media content without the need for cropping. DJI offers several controller options, including one with a built-in display, plus a longer-lasting battery for those looking to bypass weight limits. Number 5. BetaFpv X FPV Cetus Kit. Flying a drone with goggles for the virtual cockpit experience is essential for styles like racing, stunts, and cinehoop. For beginners, and even experienced pilots, the world of FPV can be overwhelming. It typically involves a traditional radio controller, analog goggles, and sometimes building a drone from scratch, requiring knowledge of motor types and manual battery charging. You could dive into forums and books, or find someone to build it for you. But a ready-to-fly kit might be the best choice. While it might not impress everyone, it's affordable and functional, and the controller will work with future drones too. The fact that there's a market for this option shows it's practical. I particularly appreciated the beginner-friendly altitude hold sensor, hover, and auto land, which isn't common in small enthusiast drones and would have saved me from a few crashes with my first FPV. So, which one's the best? After comparing all of them, The DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out as the top choice for beginners with its ease of use, stunning camera, and incredible features. Happy flying!